ICAI announced that students who passed 10th class examination immediately they can register for foundation course. Regarding that, ICAI issued some clarifications by way of FAQ. Let us see that FAQ regarding provisional registration of foundation course. First question is that I am class 11th student who passed 10th class recently. Am I eligible to register for foundation course? Answer is that yes, students even after passing 10th class examination conducted by ICAI, they can provisionally register for foundation course of ICAI. I am 12th class students, am I eligible to register for foundation course? Answer yes, students even after passing 10th class examination, they can register for foundation course. If you are appearing for May exams, you have to register on or before 1st January. If you are appearing for November exams, you have to register on or before May or June 2021. I am class 12th student who wish to become CA. When can I register for foundation course? Answer is that you can register with Board of Studies of ICAI on or before 1st day of January or 1st day of July for the examination conducted by ICAI. At least 4 months required. At least before 4 months you have to register for foundation course. Another question, I am class 12th student. If I register for foundation course now, will I be able to appear for foundation course exam which is held in May 2021? So if you want to appear for May 2021 foundation exam, and if you are class 12th student, since you have passed 10th class, now you can register on or before 1st January. On or before 1st January of 2021. At least 4 months period should be there. Another question is that I am class 12th student who will be appearing for class 12th exam in March or April 2021. Suppose I register and clear foundation of exam of May 2021, but I fail to clear exam of 12th exam. Will my foundation result be valid? Answer is that no. Without passing 12th class, you can't. Even though you pass in foundation exam, it is not valid. Is there any change in syllabus and fees of foundation course? No change in syllabus and registration fee for foundation course. And how to register for foundation course? The link is given in the notification. You can click on that to register yourself for foundation course. How will I be able to get study material for foundation? Link is here, or you can open ICAI website and you can book their study materials with the help of coupon. Whether any classes conducted by ICAI for foundation students appearing in foundation exam. Yes, free classes are available on YouTube and ICAI website. There is separate channel for ICAI, so you can visit there all the foundation classes, not only for foundation but for foundation, inter and final. All virtual classes are available, so you can access there. This is regarding how to provisionally register for foundation course. So immediately after passing 10th only you can register for foundation. Before it is used to be, if you pass 10th class you can appear for foundation course. You can provisionally register for foundation course.